Hey everyone, this is Desiree from Troubleshooting Technologies, and today I want to go over different abrasive media with you and the different finishes that you can achieve with them. So this is our VH1000 heavy duty, and in it we have glass bead, which is a mesh 170 to 325. Glass bead consists of hollow beads that are really great for a really nice clean and a bright polished finish. A lot of people will use these on automotive or motorcycle parts. And this is a Weekend Warrior machine, and inside of it we actually have soda. Soda is great for carburetors, different sorts of components that have small passages where you want to make sure there's no media trapped inside, because soda is water soluble. This would be the best media for that. In this machine we have a VH700 that has ceramic bead inside of it. So ceramic bead is similar to glass bead, but it is a slightly tougher clean because it's actually a solid bead as opposed to a hollow bead. And in this VH800 base, we have a mixture actually of 20 pounds of glass bead and 5 pounds of aluminum oxide 220. So this would be a great mixture if you're dealing with an aluminum or metal part that is very oxidized and you want a really tough clean on it, but you still want to get as shiny of a finish as possible. You can actually mix those two media together in order to achieve that. In this machine, we actually have only aluminum oxide 220. This would be really good to use if you're trying to remove paint, heavy oxidation, if you're going for more of a matte finish and you're not too worried about having a high polish. And in this VH1000, we actually have aluminum oxide 120, which is a harder grit than the 220. This would be good for prepping for powder coat if you're wanting to get more of an etch on the surface of whatever you're blasting. If anybody has any questions regarding the wet blasting process or different applications for this media, you're always welcome to call me on my direct line. My number is 828-220-4303, or you can send me an email at desiree@vaporhoningtechnologies.com.